How's it going, everyone? Jay here from LMR.com, and today we'll be highlighting our seat track extensions for all 1979 to 2004 Mustangs. As everyone knows, the 74 to 04 models are not the most forgiving or comfortable if you are taller than 6 foot. Well, we have the answer for you. These are the seat track extensions for your 79 to 2004 Mustangs. These brackets will be MIG welded steel construction and are made here in the USA. Not only are they an easy installation, they can provide you roughly 4.5 inches for hardtop owners and 3 inches for convertible owners. I do want to note that due to the design of these brackets, you will sit up around 1/2 inch taller than stock. Let's go over to our 1990 GT here in the shop and we will show you what it takes to put these in. We will be installing these on the driver's side today, but these will work on either seat. Start by removing the seat from the vehicle. See the link in the description below to show you how this is done. Once you have the seat out, do a dry fit on each bracket. We found that on the inner edge of the trans tunnel, the carpet and the jute backing caused a slight hump that interfered with the bracket sitting flush. We chose to make a minor relief cut in the carpet. We removed a 1 by 3 inch section of the carpet and pulled a little of the jute backing out to make this sit flush. Don't worry about this cut, you will never see it once the bracket is installed. Line up the new bracket and use the supplied bolt for the rear first and then the nut on the front edge to install these. Fully tighten these down, repeat for the other side. Once you have all the brackets in, reinstall the seat and you can stretch out to have a much more comfortable ride. Alright guys, this one is a great solution to a common problem with some Mustang owners. The relief cut we made may not be necessary for all applications, but we chose to do this to make the bracket sit how we wanted it to. I do want to also note that these will not work in combination with subframe connectors unless longer hardware is utilized. This will not be included. This one should take you roughly about 1/2 hour to do in your driveway with basic hand tools. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to keep you up to date with any new parts or info we release. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.